Hi everyone, it's me Mash. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Tuesday. I don't remember why I'm saying I don't remember the date. I just woke up. Yeah, today's Tuesday. I don't know. Oh, the 25th. Okay, it's Tuesday, the 25th of March. So yeah, I just woke up. I don't even feel tired. So yeah. Anywho, this is going to be the start of the vlog for the week. And yeah, I'm waiting for my takeout order, which I'll show you guys. So see you in the next clip. Hi guys, so I got the takeout order. I already opened it. I opened the box, so yeah. So I bought like a thermal cup kind of thing. It looks like a Stanley but cheaper. It looks like a Stanley but cheaper. So yeah, I like this color. Well, I got this color mainly because I don't know why. I just got this color. It's cream. That's the name of the color. So yeah, my mom wanted one, so I had to order one for her, which is coming tomorrow. So yeah, this is me unboxing. So yeah. Oh yeah, and the straw. Here's the straw. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Hey everyone, it's me Mash. Today is the 26th of March. It's a Wednesday. So yeah, right now I'm like contemplating whether or not I should go and buy yarn or just stay home. So yeah, because originally I wanted my mom to take me because I'm scared of using Uber now. Excuse me, but now my mom suggested I either use Uber Black, and Uber Black is a lot of money. So I think I'll just use Uber Comfort because yeah, I think it's also a safer option. So why am I saying I think? It is actually a safer option. Uber Black and Uber Comfort, safer options. And Uber Comfort is like half the price, not even half the price, more than half the price of Uber Black. So yeah, so I think yeah, maybe I'll go and buy yarn because hey, my yarn finished. So yeah, I think let me go buy yarn now. So yeah, if I don't go, it's still fine. If I go tomorrow or whatever, it's still fine. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. So I went to the yarn store. My mom dropped me off. So this is the outfit of the day. I want to wear my boots, but we're kind of in a rush. So yeah, but I'm gonna show y'all what I got. So okay, so I am back from the yarn store, and this is what I got. So I had to get like a refill of my yarn because yeah, I've been crocheting. So I got the same wool I was using, but this time I got two. Oh my word. Come on, just yeah. This time I got two so that I don't have to go to the store next month, you know. So yeah, because I don't want to be up and down. And then I also got yarn needles because yeah, I can't be using an actual needle here. So yeah, we didn't have the plastic ones, which is what I was looking for, but you know what, that's still fine. So yeah, there's like a mini haul. Yeah, it's a mini haul.
You said said, would you show me mad? But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Sometimes I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile, and it's hard for me to try.
Hey everyone, it's me, Mash. Today's the 27th, yeah. So 27th of March is a Thursday. There's not that much that I'm going to do today. Why am I saying I'm that mad? Like, there's legit going to only be about 2 clips or even more. I don't know, because I am going to make dinner. So I think I'll also film myself making dinner. But yeah, it is cold. It is cold. Like, I was tatazeling when I woke up. And I was trying to go back to sleep, but my mom called me and she's like, oh, it's a takeout delivery. There's just been like 4 takeout deliveries this week. So, yeah. I filled up my mom's bottle cup, whatever you're gonna call it. The Stanley Doop, I filled it up. I told her, it's in the fridge, and the straws are in the straw drawer. You're going to take it whether you like it or not, and you won't be able to forget it because it is huge. But guess what? I opened the fridge to take mine out, and guess what? It is sitting there in the fridge. Not even been moved around. Mother, like... But hey, yeah. Today I'm going to make dinner. I know what I'm going to make. I know what I'm going to make, so yeah. But anywho, enough yapping. Let's get it. Well, let's get it. I'll see y'all in the next clip.
Star. Come to the top of the car. Don't abide by the law. You don't know what I done saw. Can't live without it. Can't live without it. How can you stick for the wall? Chase I deposit. Chase I deposit. Money just stick with the boy.
A lot of model bitches check for me. Nigga don't check for me unless you got checks for me. I kept a stick like a hobo, no checking me. Way back when Kilo had the spot in Just Street. So many hoes had to get up, I said to me. She left her body home and brought her net to me. I did a walk through that, sent a jet to me. Y'all niggas show price less than my trophy. One of my arms run for ticket. Watch so much that a car came with it. Back in the day, I used to walk with no mask on. Shit on my wrist, I would've kept the whole house full. And I went to school high, I ain't go to class though. I was with the OGs, learning about the glass though. Got me with the dudes, 5 mama, keep my ass, bro. Break yourself, leave his brains on the dash, bro. I'm with Sid and Lil Baby, yeah. We got 4 choppers that's full. Right before rapping, on God, I was trapping. Still get my Glock and LaCour. I got my cake from Osama Bin Laden. Lil' nigga, he signed this shit. I'm pro gang, if you reach for my chain, and a nigga gon' die in this bitch. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, wagon, y'all nigga doing that big capture. I ain't with the friendly shit, close thing, y'all get into a handshake and the beat clapping. Yo, mama gon' have to make a GoFundMe, y'all niggas keep doing that sneak jab. Gucci had to kill the whole world just to make young savage this motherfucking meat jack.
Yeah, go like a star. Come to the top of the car. You don't abide by the law. You don't know what I deserve. Can't live without it. How can you stick for the wall? Chase I deposit. Money just stick with the boys. Cash in and cash out. I am not looking for clout. I knew I would figure it out. Took the million around. Pop the pig on my head in the cloud. Tell my little man to bring out the crowd. We got paid, now my family proud. I've been dripping and dripping and dripping and dripping and dripping. If I let this go, you can't tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. I hope you're responsible. All you gotta watch my back, 'cause I'm not just anybody. If I let this go, you can't tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. I hope you're responsible. All you gotta watch my back, 'cause I'm not just anybody. If I let
Hi everyone, it's me. So today is the 28th of March. It's a Friday. So yeah, I didn't do much today. I tried to study a bit for my supplementary, but yeah, I need to get the past papers printed out because I can't do this thing of like doing it on a computer. Like, oh. But yeah, I don't know if I'll be filming anything today. I most probably will. Yeah, and then tomorrow it's a book reading at a bookstore. So yeah. So the bookstore is also gonna sell my mom's books. So yeah, yeah. I don't know if I should film because it's just gonna be a bunch of kids and you know how YouTube is. But maybe I should ask the parents for permission, ask the parents for permission for the kids who are reading. Yeah, because I gotta get some content up in here, some interesting stuff. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up.
I'm filming you taking stuff out.
Yeah?
You're featured in the video right now.
Oh my goodness. I don't have my makeup on. And my hair is not exactly done.
No, it's fine.
I feel compromised.
You're not compromised. Oh shit.
This is watermelon and mango. Right?
Next. I came back from spa at around like 6:30. I don't remember, but it was sometime past 6. Yeah. So I need to go wash the dishes. I'm planning on washing them now so I can sleep early. Because tomorrow we're leaving at 8. So that means I'll have to wake up at 5. But you know what? That's fine. You gotta keep up with the grind. Like, but hey, it will be fine. It's not the end of the world. So yeah. I just want to sleep right now. That's why I'm planning to sleep early. Because if I sleep at like 9, not 9, but like 10, I won't have that much sleep. So yeah. I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh, hiccups. Yeah. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Today's the 29th of March. It's Saturday. Right now it's like 6:15. I want to sleep. Okay, I want to sleep. I know it's cold. It's cold. I want to sleep. I want to sleep and it's cold. I don't know. I don't know what. Is it a Red Bull or something that I want? I don't know. I want to sleep. I want to sleep. Like, trust when we get back, I swear I'm gonna fall asleep on the couch. So yeah, enough yapping. I'll see you guys in the next clip or later. Outfit of the day.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
just some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Like a glance from the past, dark in the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince and I'm the pop. Fairy tales, I'm not used to it. Oh, you got me questioning what you've done. You used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me.
I thought I was doing it for myself. And the main character, who's Mashuru, it was more just a way that we able to express what we believe and what we think through. And, just to take a couple of steps back, Mashuru lives with mental illness. And there isn't one of the challenges that I had is that I could not find any literature or resources that are culturally relevant, something that will make us feel like we're not alone. said or married, and that many children felt this way sometimes. I shouldn't, Dr. Mo said. It is okay to feel sick. It's like when you have a cold. But instead of your body feeling sick, it's your feelings that will somehow get you there. Tell me, what's the name of the psychologist that Mashri went to see? Let's all say it together. It's Dr. Oh! Right. And you can see on the book,
Sharing your feelings and story will make you feel better, and you will inspire others to talk about their own feelings. It's a common place for everyone.
Cash in and cash out, cash in and cash out. I am not looking for clout. I knew I would figure it out. Said the meaner, pop the pig on my head in the cloud. Said my name made to bring out a crowd. We got paid, I'm a family proud. I've been dripping and dripping and dripping and dripping and dripping.
If I let this go, you can't tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. I hope you're responsible. Oh, you gotta watch my back. I'm not just anybody. If I let this go, you can't tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. I hope you're responsible. Oh, you gotta watch my back.
I came back from 27 boxes like 2 hours ago, so yeah. After the book reading, we went to Checkers to get some meat and all that stuff. So yeah, done. And then my mom's friend's daughter, she made pork and pap for my mom and her because I don't eat pork. It makes me nauseous. So yeah. Yeah. Today, I mean, this week wasn't as busy as last week, so yeah. I think I'll be ending off the video here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Yeah. Like, comment, share, subscribe, do the whole gist, and yeah. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.